What's up, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kasey Luck. I'm the founder and CEO of Luck & Co agency. In this video series, we're doing e-commerce face-off. And in this particular video, I'm comparing the checkout experiences from Gucci and Louis Vuitton.
Fight!
It's going to be super fun, so stick around. Let's go and shop on Gucci.com to start with, and then Louis Vuitton. I'm going to pick a handbag because, of course, if you're coming to Gucci, that's what you're looking for, right? I found this red handbag that I'm going to go and add to my shopping cart. Okay, a few payment options, helpful. Let's go to the actual checkout. And the first thing that they're asking me for is my email address, which is smart because that is how they're going to be able to send me abandoned checkout emails, abandoned cart emails, whatever. If you're running an e-commerce store, you know that your abandoned cart emails are the lowest hanging fruit to increase your conversion rate and to increase your revenue every single month. So everybody who has an online store should have an abandoned cart flow. All right, so these guys are asking me for my title.
Classy.
Which is unusual. Nobody ever asks me for my title anymore, but since you're asking Gucci, it's Mrs. Kasey Luck. And everything else is pretty standard. My address, my phone number, blah, blah, blah. Let's continue to payment. They give me the option of either using my credit card, using PayPal, or using Affirm monthly payments, which is super. If you're not familiar with Affirm, there's Klarna, there are a couple other ones. They just allow shoppers to make interest-free monthly payments, which is a great option if you're buying if you're selling $2,500 handbags. Fantastic. Okay, and to give you a little secret, I actually go through this process about a week before recording these videos because the most interesting part for me is actually abandoned cart emails. So to receive those abandoned cart emails, of course, I have to abandon cart in advance. So that's what I did. And shocking, Gucci sent me 0 emails. No welcome email, no abandoned cart email. I was actually so shocked that I thought maybe I did something wrong and I abandoned the checkout again. And I think I even filled out their newsletter form and they still sent me 0 emails. So I don't know, is Gucci too cool to send emails? Really, Gucci, I think you should step up your game here a little bit. So since we're done with Gucci here, no emails, no emails, no video, let's go and check out Louis Vuitton. Just so we're comparing apples to apples or handbags to handbags, I picked a Louis Vuitton handbag that I actually don't like. I just picked a one that would be comparable. It's also $2,500. So let's add this one to cart, even though they use this weird language, place in cart. Well, the wording place in cart sounds really formal and outdated. I would just say, add to cart. Okay, we're in the checkout page or on the checkout page in the checkout form. They show me this handbag. They even show additional details about this bag, which is great job. They're really doing the work to sell it to me so that I know everything that I'm paying for. And what I really love about Louis Vuitton checkout experience as opposed to Gucci is that they're really answering my questions as a shopper. The most frequently asked questions that the shoppers have when they finally get to your cart and to checkout is, what's shipping going to be like? How can I return this item if I don't love it? And can I exchange it? And is that returns and exchanges policy, can I do it for free? Is it easy? And stuff like that. And so if you answer those questions right there and don't make your shoppers go somewhere else, then you're doing a great job and they're more likely to finalize the purchase. And that's exactly what Louis Vuitton is doing here with payment, shipping and delivery, returns and exchanges. They even tell me about my packaging and that it's eco-friendly, which is, they're right on trend there. And they even offer me the next day collection in store. Great. Okay, let's proceed to checkout. They also ask me for my email address up front so that they can send me the emails. And there's a little box that I agree to receive emails, which yes, I do. That's what I want. I want to receive your emails, Louis Vuitton. I hope that this time you actually take my email and send me some emails, unlike Gucci, who took my email and just keeps it somewhere in their pocket. I don't know what they're doing with it. All right, now Louis Vuitton has my email address, has my name, has my shipping information, and now they're offering me the different payment options. And the only one that I see here, or the only two, are credit card and PayPal. So no payment options at all, like Affirm or anything like that, which sucks. And Gucci actually gets a point for that one, and Louis Vuitton loses one. Okay, let's go to my inbox and actually see if they sent me any emails, and they did, so great job. 1-1, Gucci, Louis Vuitton. Yay! The subject line is, your shopping bag is waiting. You know, so pretty standard, not personalized. Every single letter is capitalized, which makes it sound very formal. And they say, Dear Mrs. Luck. So this is where they do personalize it, but it's a little formal for my taste. Maybe that's what they're going for. And then they say, we hope you enjoyed your experience at louisvuitton.com. This message is to inform you that there are items in your shopping bag. Very, very conservative. You know, I did know that there are items in my shopping bag. I hoped you would tell me why I should move them from your shopping bag to my home. You didn't, so minus half a point. And now they have some icons to kind of reinforce that they have free returns and exchanges. Fantastic. And then they're including some fun images. These are probably some celebrities that I don't recognize, but you know, both Gucci and Louis Vuitton have like a ton of incredible photography. So like it's a no-brainer, they should include all of that for additional social proof, because when we people see other people who are higher status than us wearing something, like we want to achieve that status and we want to have the same shit as those people do. Psychology 101. Maybe you just put it on the screen. Okay, the final check. Let's click through that button to make sure it takes us to a checkout page or my cart, as opposed to a home page or product page, which some companies still do. So clicking through the button, and not really sure what's going on here, but it says page not found, 404. I mean, creative image, okay, thank you. But really what I wanted to do was give you my credit card information, and you're kind of totally screwed it up, Louis Vuitton. So definitely something you should not do. Triple check all of your abandoned checkout email links and buttons, and all of your email links for that matter. But huge opportunity lost, minus 5 points for Louis Vuitton.
Minus 46. Minus 47, minus 48.
All right, guys, I actually lost count. Gucci versus Louis Vuitton. I feel like both did some things right, but both screwed up big time as well. Gucci didn't even send me an email. I guess they're too cool. And Louis Vuitton did, but the email didn't work because I couldn't actually complete my purchase. I mean, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, you guys can do so much better. And by the way, if you need help, check out Luck & Co agency. And to all the new founders and founders of smaller brands and D2C brands, e-commerce brands, you guys can do better than Gucci and better than Louis Vuitton. Keep watching my videos, like them, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much.